Have you ever wondered what really happens behind the velvet curtains of Geneva's wealthiest circles? Imagine a world where power isn't flaunted, but whispered through secret rituals, mysterious invitations, and silent deals sealed beneath crystal chandeliers. Today, we're going deep into the forbiddens, revealing the millionaire rituals that only Geneva's true elite can experience. Don't blink, what you hear may change how you see luxury forever. Before we unlock these secrets, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exclusive content, and drop a comment if you think you could handle the pressure of Geneva's elite lifestyle. The invitation nobody talks about. For Geneva's super rich, receiving a particular invitation is more prized than acquiring a priceless painting. It arrives in a hand-sealed envelope, no sender, just a crest, and it means you're in. Inside, the golden ticket leads you to a secluded mansion on Lake Geneva, where only the truly chosen gather. They say careers, fortunes, and international alliances begin and end in these secret halls. But what actually happens inside that mansion? Stay with me, because the next ritual is even riskier. Like this so far? Smash the like button and let me know what you'd do if you got that invitation. Why the midnight agreement? Picture this. A small group of millionaires meets in a candlelit chamber well past midnight. Laptops are banned. Instead, handwritten ledgers are passed around, fortunes are quietly exchanged, and future market moves are decided with a single nod. These midnight agreements set the pulse of international finance, and no cameras are ever allowed. Why such secrecy? What are they plotting that the world can't know? The answers lie just ahead. If this made you curious, comment midnight below and tell us, would you join such a meeting? The silent auction. In the heart of Geneva, the elite gather not to speak, but to signal. Welcome to the silent auction. No auctioneer, no voices. Only subtle gestures and coded glances determine who wins rare gems, priceless art, or even private islands. Reputation is everything, and silence is the only language spoken. What is the most valuable item ever auctioned in silence? The answer will blow your mind in the next section. Hit like if you want a behind-the-scenes look at Geneva's most mysterious auction houses. The discreet power exchange. Not all deals are made in boardrooms. Sometimes, a handshake over an unremarkable coffee at a hidden cafe downtown shifts the balance of entire industries. These meetings, impossible for outsiders to recognize, are where favors are traded, alliances are built, and enemies are silently erased from the playbook. But what does someone sacrifice to gain this power? The next forbiddens ritual explains it all. Don't forget to subscribe. Next up is the ritual with the highest price of all. The loyalty oath. Every member of Geneva's elite swears loyalty, not just to each other, but to the unspoken code of secrecy. Some say the oath takes place during an ancient ceremony with cryptic symbols and priceless wine. Breaking this oath has consequences: instant exile, or worse, the disappearance of abundance. Will someone dare break the oath? The next section uncovers whispers of rebellion among the ranks, like if you dare take such an oath, or if you'd prefer to walk away. The Forbiddens Gathering. Once a year, a Forbiddens Gathering is held, location unknown, time unspoken. Attendees come masked, identities concealed. Rumors swirl for months. Strange rituals, unbreakable deals, and the forging of alliances only whispered about in international circles. It's here, they say, that the future of fortunes is decided by torchlight, under oath, away from the world's gaze. Does the gathering hold Geneva's greatest secret? You'll have to watch to the end to discover the twist. Tell us in the comments, would you attend the Forbiddens Gathering or steer clear? Revelations and the final secret. As dawn breaks, only a handful leave the Forbiddens Gathering. Some are richer, some more powerful, but all are marked by what they know and what they can never speak of. Geneva's forbiddens rituals aren't just about wealth, they're about legacy, risk, and living by a code the rest of the world will never understand. If this journey inside Geneva's most secretive world made your heart race, smash that like, subscribe for more mysteries, and comment your wildest theory. There's always another secret ready for the next one.